Have you ever opened your car's oil cap and noticed smoke or a stream of air coming out? This could be a sign of a serious engine problem. In this video, I'll explain why this happens, what damage it can cause, and how to fix it before it turns into a major failure. Under normal conditions, the gases generated inside the engine should be redirected through the crankcase ventilation system. If these gases escape with too much pressure through the oil cap, something is not working properly and needs to be checked. Causes: 1. Worn piston rings. Piston rings seal the combustion chamber to prevent gases from leaking into the crankcase. When they wear out, gases pass into the lower part of the engine, creating pressure that forces air out through the oil cap. 2. Blocked or faulty PCV valve. The positive crankcase ventilation (PCV) valve is responsible for recirculating combustion gases back into the intake. If it's clogged or damaged, pressure builds up inside the engine, forcing gases to escape through the oil cap. 3. Cylinder wear. Over time, cylinders may lose their ability to seal properly due to wear. This allows combustion gases to leak into the crankcase, increasing internal pressure and causing air to escape from the oil cap. 4. Engine sludge buildup. Poor maintenance and low-quality oil can lead to sludge accumulation inside the engine, clogging ventilation passages and increasing crankcase pressure. Diagnosis: 1. PCV valve inspection. Remove the PCV valve and check for blockages or signs of wear. Shake it. If you don't hear the internal component moving, it likely needs replacement. 2. Engine compression test. Use a pressure gauge to measure compression in each cylinder. If one or more cylinders have abnormally low readings, the piston rings or cylinders may be worn. 3. Cylinder leak down test. Inject compressed air into the combustion chamber with the piston at top dead center. If air escapes into the crankcase, it means the piston rings are allowing combustion gases to pass through. Solutions: 1. Replace the PCV valve. If the valve is clogged or faulty, replacing it is essential to restore proper crankcase ventilation. 2. Oil change and internal engine cleaning. If there is sludge buildup, perform an internal engine cleaning with specialized products and use high-quality oil to prevent further residue formation. 3. Engine repair. In cases of severe piston ring or cylinder wear, the engine must be disassembled for reconditioning or component replacement. This is a major repair and should be performed by a specialist. Additional tips: 1. Perform regular oil and filter changes using high-quality products. 2. Check the PCV valve periodically and replace it if necessary. 3. Avoid overloading the engine and allow it to reach operating temperature before demanding too much power. 4. If you notice smoke or air escaping from the oil cap, inspect the issue promptly to prevent further damage. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more vehicle maintenance and repair content. Leave your questions or experiences in the comments, and I'll be happy to respond.